Hi, I'm Patrick Burke. This is the week 3 video lab exercise. Today is 7/19, and we have our fetal pig here, making our incisions into its neck, and cutting through the tissues here. We have the thymus, inside that the thyroid gland, and down the middle here the trachea, and we can see our hyoid muscles on the sides. We pause here. Okay, we're ready to make our thoracic incision, and we're going to go from the sternocleidomastoid down to xiphoid process. Initially through the muscle wall, and then we'll make our two side incisions. Four side incisions. And I'll pause while I clean that up. All right, we've made our incisions here, and we can begin to see the vascular system inside here. We can see his pericardium here. I can see I believe that's his left anterior descending coronary artery, and we can see the brachiocephalic trunk here. We can see the internal and external carotid that's the internal and external jugular here, and internal and external jugular here. We can see the cephalic vein, and we go in here to the superior vena cava. And over here we can see the right subclavian. Okay, that's our veins done. We're going to cut into the we're going to cut through those veins and look for the arteries now. So I'm cutting through the superior vena cava. And let's pause while I clean that up. All right, after much cleaning, we have the aorta exposed, and we can see the brachiocephalic artery coming up here. You have the right and left carotid arteries, and the right and left, the right subclavian, it's easy to see. The left kind of got underneath here a little bit. You can see that coming off this way. And again, while we're looking at arteries, I can see that coronary artery coming down the side of the heart here. And looks like I can see the left anterior descending as well as the circumflex. And so you can see there the left and right sides of the heart, ventricles. And with a little more digging and cutting, I was able to expose the pulmonary artery. And that's our video lab exercise. Thank you.